Okay, so for the next part of this lesson, I'm going to try to fit it all in this video. First, we need to figure out what is a vertex. And I'm not going to go through all the details. I'm just going to give you the big idea. A vertex is, so it's going to be a point where two lines meet. So for example, this line meets this line. This is the vertex. Non-examples are basically anything that's round, or like if you have squiggly lines, right? It's got to be straight lines. And actually, I should say that. A point where two, actually, let me erase that. Point where two straight lines meet is more specific, and that's what our notes actually say. Point where two straight lines meet. So when we're counting vertices down here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Each of these points is a vertex. For this shape, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 vertices. So all these points. And then for the circle, we have none, right? Circle is round. There are no points. There are no straight lines. That's all you need to know about a vertex to the real practice here. All right. So we've got Winona. She is planning a border design. She begins by drawing triangle JKL. Oops. In the coordinate plane. That's not what I wanted to do. Then she translates 6 units to the right to get triangle J prime, K prime, L prime. So first we're going to do this visually on the coordinate plane. We are going to move each point 6 units to the right, starting with J. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is J prime. Then K. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is K prime. And then L. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is L prime. So yours are going to be perfect. Mine is going to be good enough because I can't use a protractor. So there's our new triangle. Translated 6 to the right. Now we're going to do this mathematically. So down here, again, we're going to write our coordinates, J, K, and L. They gave us the first ones. We're just going to add it in. J is at -4, 5. K is at -2, 1. And L is at -4, 2. So now we're moving to the right. Again, right to left is the x-axis. And if we move to the right, we're getting bigger. So we are going to add 6 to our x value. And remember, it is always x comma y. So we're going to add 6, we're going to add 6, we're going to add 6, and then we're going to get our new coordinates. You can do this mathematically, or you can just look where it is. So J is here. This is at 2, 5. And none of the y values are changing. So you can actually just write all those in because we're not moving up or down. We're only moving to the right. So it's now at 2. If we do this math, if I have -4, if I start at -4 and I move 6 times to the right, that puts me at +2. If I'm at -2 and I move 6 times to the right, it should put me at +4. So let's check K. Yep, it's at 4. If I'm at -4, this is going to be the same as here. I'm going to be at +2. Let's check L. It is at 2. So these are our new coordinates. I'm not sure how we would check that, so we're going to skip that one. And that's it for these 2 pages.